Welcome back to the Retro Tech Repair Shop. Today I have the classic ZX81 made by Sinclair. This one was purchased off of eBay and the seller's description was that it works, but there's a line of keys that don't. So let's take it apart and see whether it needs a membrane change or whether it's possible to repair it as is. Right, what have we got? Original Sinclair ZX power supply. It's 9-volt output, 1.2 amps. UK plug. This is the UK version. Actual ZX81. A bit of contamination on the edge connector for the external RAM module, but overall it looks in very nice condition. What else we got in the box? We have the original manual, but there is no TV cable. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is just check the power supply out. Quick checking the plug first. Make sure it's connected correctly. Yep. Looks fine. 13.16. It's all good. Okay, let's hook you up to this little TV first just to see if I can tune it in. Oh, something's happened. Okay. Print. Oh yeah. Poke. I've tried hooking this up to a modern day TV and manually tuning, but they're just not the same as the old analog. Be able to adjust it and get it to work properly. So even though it's quite a small screen, I can quite clearly see it. So I'm just going to go around the keyboard and find out which buttons don't work. Five, 6. Okay, so I've run through the keyboard now, and the ones that aren't working are 5 and 6, T and Y, G and H, and V and B. So there must be a common track that connects all these points, and I'd imagine the brake is in that point. So let's open it up, have a look at the membrane and see if I can work out which connection it is that goes to each of these keys, the common, and trace it back through. There's a little bit of wear on these contacts. Obviously a RAM pack has been used here in the past. It looks generally in very good condition. The membrane connection is here and here. So I'm just going to check the soldering on these ones first. I've had a look at these connections down here, and there is a couple of poor ones. The one there and especially the one down here. It does look like it's just about connected, but it's a very poor joint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resolder a couple of these connections to the membrane and give it a retry before I disassemble any more. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5 still not working, 6 isn't working. Okay, T and Y. Okay, so that didn't make any difference. So let's continue the investigation. Be careful with these. Okay, I can see straight away what the problem is. The membrane has cracked down here. It's obviously broken into the connection. It's quite a common thing on items this age. So let's see if we can release it. It's broken quite a few places. If we can release the membrane and repair it. There's one out. Yeah, looking at it, it's broken all the way through. Actually recut this membrane should make it shorter. And that would sort the problem out then. Okay, I'm going to put a bit of a label on here just to give it a bit of strength. Let's come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thanks for watching. Okay, simple keyboard repair. Hope you found it useful. See you next time.